This is on proper installation of this type of plug-in smoke detector. Contents of the box: smoke detector, dust cover, new wiring, instructions, box. Smoke detector needs to be unmounted. Just twist it off. Like such. Open the battery compartment. Remove the battery. Remove the safety. Replace the battery. Back in. Remove the pegs. Clean them up. They have little burrs on them. The first one goes into the black dot. This locks the battery compartment. Second one is installed from the top into this hole. This is a safety feature to keep them from opening the battery compartment, to just remove it. And when this is locked into the ring, you have to use a screwdriver to lift up on it to unlock it. Remove the existing one. Pinch the two together. Loosen the set screws. Install a new wiring. This wiring is going to come out. On this system, the center red is the communicating, neutral, and hot. So you're going to take all three loose and make sure they're separated. When they're linked together, this wire needs to be stripped to interconnect them. Connect the wires back together, like so. Fold the wires back up into the body. Plate goes back into place, new one. Connect the plug. Then reinstall, and this lock right there will come into place and hit that groove. And if you want to get it off there, you just use a screwdriver, test it, and that's it.